Hello everybody, my name is Evan Naveed and today we are learning how to make a paper snowflake. You will need an A4 piece of paper, scissors, be careful with scissors, a pen or a pencil, and a ruler. A ruler that you can measure with. First, what you have to do is go on to CM on your ruler. I don't think you can see perfectly from my ruler, and just turn it over like that. Go to 10 centimeters and from the corner there, leave a bit of space in between and draw a line. Oops, I might have moved it, but it doesn't matter, it's only a bit. So draw a line and then do the same thing this side. So I've done it there and 10 centimeters across. And join this one up by 10 centimeters. So 10 there, 0 there, and match them up. Now you should have a square. Cut on the square, ask an adult to help. Cut where my black lines are. So cut on the black lines or the grey lines if you are using pencil or any colour. So guys, I've cut that like that. Now turn it over in a diamond shape like that and fold over so the corners are meeting corners. Now this is the part where you can make perfect squares. But don't do it with a rectangle, otherwise you won't actually be able to do it. Now cut these extra bits off. So I'm just doing that. Now I've done that, turn it over and check for some extra bits. Nope, I've not got any extra bits on the other side, but I think I might have some extra bits left. So I've got that little bit. I'm just cutting these off, as you can see. So now what you're going to do is fold it in half. And fold in half again. like that. Now you should have a mini triangle. What you're going to do is cut a mini triangle over there, pull it off, and do a semicircle roughly about the same size. Like that. And another triangle. And here, do triangle and a semicircle. Let me just repeat the same process on the other side. So I've done that. Now open it one like that, so you can see which one is actually joining it. So this one is, what you're going to do is curl it a bit so it's not a pointy corner anymore. Now when you open it fully, you should have there you are, a nice lovely snowflake. So thanks for watching. Bye.